Ever felt like you're spinning your wheels, trying to find reliable suppliers for your Shopify store? Like you're stuck in a maze of endless Google searches and questionable deals? You've got this amazing Shopify store, a killer brand, and you're ready to scale, but where do you find those winning products? And more importantly, how do you make sure you're getting them from trustworthy suppliers? Let's face it, sourcing products is the backbone of any successful e-commerce business. Without a steady stream of quality goods, your Shopify dream can quickly turn into a logistical nightmare. You're probably thinking, there's got to be an easier way, and you're right. Many entrepreneurs turn to platforms like SaleHoo, hoping to streamline their sourcing process. But the big question we're tackling today is, does SaleHoo actually integrate with Shopify? Before we dive into that, let's take a step back and understand why this integration matters in the first place. You see, when you're running a Shopify store, you're juggling a lot. You're managing inventory, processing orders, handling customer service, and marketing your products. The last thing you need is a clunky, disconnected system that adds to your workload. Imagine this: you find a fantastic product on SaleHoo, a product you know your customers will love. You add it to your Shopify store, but then you realize you have to manually update inventory levels, track orders separately, and potentially deal with conflicting shipping information. This is where integration comes in. A seamless connection between SaleHoo and Shopify would mean automatic inventory updates, streamlined order processing, and a smoother overall workflow. Now, SaleHoo, for those who might be unfamiliar, is a powerful directory of wholesale suppliers and dropshippers. It's designed to help e-commerce entrepreneurs find reliable sources for their products. They vet their suppliers, which is a huge plus, and offer various tools and resources to help you succeed. But does this translate to a direct, plug-and-play integration with Shopify? Here's the truth. SaleHoo does not offer a direct, API-based integration with Shopify in the way that some other apps might. You won't find a dedicated SaleHoo app in the Shopify App Store that allows for real-time syncing of data. However, that doesn't mean SaleHoo is useless for Shopify users. Far from it. SaleHoo offers a wealth of resources that can be incredibly valuable for your Shopify business, even without direct integration. Let's break down how you can leverage SaleHoo effectively with your Shopify store. 1. Finding reliable suppliers. The core strength of SaleHoo lies in its comprehensive supplier directory. You can search for suppliers based on product category, location, and other criteria. This is crucial for finding reputable vendors who can provide quality products at competitive prices. 2. Product research. SaleHoo Labs, their market research tool, helps you identify trending products and analyze market demand. This information is invaluable for choosing products that are likely to sell well on your Shopify store. You can use their data to inform your product selection and marketing strategies. 3. Dropshipping opportunities. SaleHoo offers a list of vetted dropshippers, which can be a game-changer for Shopify store owners who want to avoid handling inventory. You can find suppliers who will ship products directly to your customers, allowing you to focus on marketing and customer service. 4. Learning resources. SaleHoo provides a range of training materials, including guides, videos, and articles, covering various aspects of e-commerce. This can help you improve your Shopify store's performance and grow your business. So, how do you bridge the gap between SaleHoo and Shopify without direct integration? Manual integration and workarounds. While there's no automatic sync, you can manually integrate SaleHoo's supplier information into your Shopify workflow. This involves importing product information. Once you find a product on SaleHoo, you can manually import the product descriptions, images, and pricing into your Shopify store. Managing inventory manually. You'll need to keep track of inventory levels from your SaleHoo suppliers and update them in your Shopify store accordingly. This requires careful organization and attention to detail. Order fulfillment. When a customer places an order on your Shopify store, you'll need to manually place the order with your SaleHoo supplier. Using third-party apps. You can use third-party apps in the Shopify App Store to help you manage inventory and order fulfillment. These apps can streamline some of the manual processes involved. Why SaleHoo is still valuable for Shopify users. Even without direct integration, SaleHoo offers significant benefits for Shopify store owners. Reduced risk. SaleHoo's vetting process helps you avoid scams and unreliable suppliers, saving you time and money. Access to a wide range of products. SaleHoo's directory provides access to a vast selection of products from various suppliers, giving you more options for your Shopify store. Time savings. While you'll still need to do some manual work, SaleHoo's platform can save you time compared to searching for suppliers on your own. Community support. SaleHoo offers a community forum where you can connect with other e-commerce entrepreneurs and get advice, alternatives, and considerations. If you're looking for a platform with direct Shopify integration, you might consider other sourcing solutions that offer API-based connections. However, keep in mind that these platforms may have different features and pricing structures. Remember, building a successful Shopify store requires dedication, hard work, and a willingness to adapt. Whether you choose to use SaleHoo or another platform, focus on providing quality products and excellent customer service. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.